Practice set 2. Anyone don't have your practice set? 2 and 3. You start.
No, I did like more like.
Very good. The rest got do? Never do. Why never do? Who else? Got do? Got do, The rest got do? Can Okay, good. Okay. I just want to say that the submission rate of your like have I told you before? The submission rate of your class is quite high. So it's pretty good. Yeah. So because of this, it has also showed in your, I don't know whether it's correlated to your quiz one, but the result is really much better. Or it's actually overtook some other classes. Yeah. But one thing we look at is the submission, the homework submission result. So sometimes you do. I know that math is very time intensive, but you need to do it on a daily basis. Okay? Can I? Yeah. Okay. Question 2. So I start. Okay. Let's go. Alihan got do? Halfway. Hey, if you need me to go through, please let me know. Then go through you. Oh, okay. Who is not here today? But behind. Let's take away his MacBook so he doesn't realize. Okay, so there are a few people in this call has MacBook. Mitra, Sean, Bumblebee High. Right. All up to no good. Okay, no. 4A, 4B. Okay. Oh, no issue. Go on, 4C, 4D. Okay, sometimes your answer may be different format. Sometimes your answer may it's okay, it's okay. So there are only 4 questions in this practice set. It is very easy to do. Okay? Joshua, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you looking at? Archie, what is he looking at? Math. Let's say what? ChatGPT. Then what are you looking at? My video. You do that at home so that in class you can follow me. Yeah. All the extra work you do at home. The catching up is done at home, not in my lesson. My lesson, you listen to me. You understand? Yeah. Okay. 4C, 4D. That's the correct sequencing. Because if you don't listen to me in class 1 hour, you spend 2 hours catching up at home. That's what happened to me. Last time when I was in NUS, there was webcast lecture. So because of that, every day I go and play sports. I skip lecture. But when I miss 1 hour lecture, I need to spend 3 hours to catch up. So it doesn't pay off. Okay? So one of the easiest way to go ahead is to start showing up. Yeah. Okay? Okay. Question 5. 4C and D, okay? Can I? You don't dare to ask me, you can ask your friend. You can ask your friend. Okay. 5A. 5A? 5A, okay. This is okay as well. Yeah, so I'll try to walk around. Okay. I just get the Wi-Fi. Huh? Yes. This is also okay. So if you write like this is also okay. This is also okay. Yeah, no issue. 4B. 4B? So how can I differentiate that? It's just what do you see? Okay. So 2 times 3 because the 2 cancel out. Because this half, the half brought a half. Okay, cancel.
Shouldn't take out the 3?
then it'd be 3 times.
So yes, 6. But then the 6 will divide by 2 again, become 3. So the half and the 2 take each other out, right? So that's why you're only left with a 3 much.
Right.
Anyway, you got it correct.
Now
You're wondering. Okay, okay. 4C. 5. 5A, 5B, okay, okay, then I go to 5C. Oh, you all are very good. The practice set all very good. Okay. I have to say. 6A and B. It's a little complicated. Okay, so use quotient rule. Use quotient rule. Check one by one. Okay, I show 6A first. I show 6A first. Might be challenging. Might be challenging. Yes, you can. Yeah, you can. So triangle. Put me similar triangle. That's the part that got a lot of people stuck. So check it out, okay? Me, I also will do the same as you. I'm my old uncle. First step is correct.
Simplify it eventually.
But you're looking at 60 or 60. Secant square over tangent square is cosecant. Yeah, cannot. Here to here is not clear to you. Here to here is not clear to you. You need to show more. Here to here, I understand. Here to here cannot. Too fast. Too fast. Either too fast or could be wrong. Yeah. How do you know that secant square is tangent is cosecant? May not be obvious. Why is there a cosecant? Can but no need No need to work so hard. They just want differentiation. Unless they want a specific form. So like it's like you are doing, then you are creating your own identity to prove. You are trying to you are doing extra work. No need to solve. Okay. Can direct tangent is secant square and leave it as secant square. You're going to change it to cosecant square, make the relevant step. Sign inside the question, then you add on. Okay. Okay, 6B. 6B, yeah. Any issue? 6B, you realize that you need to use product rule and quotient rule at the same time. 6B, you need to easy, yeah. This U cosine x. When you different, this is B. B is E1 minus x squared. But you realize that U prime, you need to differentiate. Then you need to differentiate, right? They never ask you to simplify a lot of things. Yes.
basically like all the answers.
No stop. Huh? You see lah. We are later. Okay, follow me from here first. Follow me from here. Let me finish your evidence first. Very sorry. Wait a minute. Okay, mark. Okay, Okay, some of you are looking, so I'll pause a while. Anyone got wrong? You need to go through? So again, like this is U, right? So this is U prime. So U prime is here, B minus B prime, B prime followed by U over B squared. Okay? This is U prime, B prime, U, B squared. After you got that, you slowly start to simplify. Okay, the way to simplify is to, of course, open the brackets. So after I'm done, I open the brackets, I find that there are indeed things that I can cancel off. Okay, first of all, what can I cancel off? After I reach this portion here, I can cancel off this 1, 2, 3. Okay, look at this, it's so beautiful, right? Number one, blue color is over here, blue color, red color over here, orange color over here. Okay, can I cancel anymore? I think that's the best I can go. That's okay. This is simplified. This is simplified. This is simplified. That's all I need to do. Okay, can I? Those of you who like cooking, you should know. To cook the dish well, in order to have the timing correct, all the dishes must be prepared. Okay, prepare all the ingredients at the side. Then it's easy for you to take. Same as this. I will always prepare my U and V, and my U prime, V prime at the side. Then I take and put in. Okay? Yeah. Otherwise, when you are doing, you are like differentiating on the go, putting in, simplifying on the go. Too many tasks. So I go to question 30. Question 30, the equation of the tangent where x equals to 1. So I find the gradient function. So you can see this is the gradient function. This is the gradient function. Then this is the gradient function. I sub x equals to 1. Then what is this? This is y minus y1. This is gradient x minus x1. The generic strategies are in orange, after which you get a final answer. Okay, not a very difficult practice set. Just testing you on techniques. Question 30. Is there anyone in the Zoom? No, okay. Yeah? I will go through it additionally later on. Okay. Can I 13? Anyone got wrong? Alex, ask Dora for answer, then you. Yeah. It's okay. Okay, good job. Okay. She's very good. Okay. I go on. Additional question. Any are there? Okay, additional question. Okay, find the for negative. Okay, so if you want the gradient to be negative, x to be less than 0. Once again, if you observe, okay, what I generally do is I put u and v. U is equals to ex squared, followed by u prime is equals to 2x e power x squared. B is equals to 3x plus 2. B prime is 3. Okay, so from here, u prime multiplied by b minus b prime multiplied by u over b squared. Okay, now look at the bottom. For dy dx less than 0, we want this to be negative. If I want this to be negative, now you start to dissect the entire dy dx. Now, if you observe this, this will always be Positive. Agree? If you observe square function, it will always be positive or equal to 0. In this case, it is more than 0 because it cannot be 0. It's a denominator. So then look at x power negative 2. Okay, so you see this one. Notice what they write here. Okay, I will expect you all to write the same. Okay, so one thing we can work on is instead of just writing answers, most students they just want the answer, right? Yeah, all the boys especially, they only got one thing on their mind. I just want to find answer. Don't have the proper working. Okay, yeah. So just remember, you need to write statements. Okay, so what does that boil down to? Okay, you can see that we have taken off, we have cleared this guy, Now we are left with yellow. Okay, so if I consider this to be less than 0, I'm solving a quadratic inequality. So this quadratic inequality, wow, it looks hard.Maybe I consider the equation first. Considering the equation, I find that I'm using the quadratic formula. Okay, I find that I'm using the quadratic formula. Why? Because you realize that this is not factorizable. You realize that this one is not factorizable. So far, okay? Then from here, I got these two as my answers. If I look at this, I know that it is a happy face. So these two are my values. Okay, it's quite difficult, I know, but okay, guys, you all can do it one. Less than 0. Right? Because you want less than 0 means you want this portion, which is why you have this answer. Now, what's so difficult about this question is that once you have this answer, you cannot stop there. You need to include this. X cannot be negative 2/3. Yes, because when it's negative 2/3, it causes, like you said, the denominator to be 0. Okay, so that is the issue over here. Okay, Ivani, okay? Okay, so here there's a quadratic formula. I don't know, is there any mistake? Some of you pinch your face. Don't know whether correct or wrong. Okay, so just take a look. And this is the dy dx. So you can see NJC textbook question and NJC question sometimes have some difference. Ours is a tad higher. Okay. This step, please take note. Okay, guys, look carefully. This step need to write. Dy dx less than 0 to write. Okay. Crucial. Must write. Can I? I put 2 stars there. Okay. Okay, so I was looking through your homework sets. Try to write more statements. Especially increasing, decreasing function, you need dy dx less than 0, more than 0. Okay? Yeah. 可以吗？5B. Okay, wait a second. You never asked Dora for help. Oh. You got it right? So are you all right? Are you all length? Shut up. Oh no, it's being recorded. Okay, Alex, okay or not? You asked me to show you, then look at Dora. Okay, Alex, 4D, 4C. Part C and part B. 5C and 5B. 5 only, You came back from toilet while I was going through question 5B. How come you ask me for 5C and D?
Wait, you're going to 6B.
6B, man? No, 5. Okay, can all good, Okay. 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 About 3 minutes to do your correction. Then after that, I need you to log into your Google Classroom. Google Classroom, there is a QR code for your quiz one. I just need you to check whether your results are correct. It is an all years form. Unfortunately, I cannot access. Where did my Google Classroom go? In case you need, do you all need your phone? No need, huh? Yeah, it's right over here. If you don't want to go into Google Classroom, you can scan it also over here. It's an all years form. A very simple procedure just to check if your quiz one result is correct. If your quiz one is not correct, can you let me know? If the results are not correct, can you let me know? Okay? Got it? You got it? You need it for my iPad? Oh, zero, because zero is when you want to define. It's the sun done? Oh, yours. I was getting. Are you done? Stop kissing your bicep. What? Okay. Done? Done? Done. President done? Done. Like what are we doing now? Drum. Ta-da. Oh. You are. Okay. Ready, yeah? Hey, sorry. Oh, okay, today the internet works so well. Okay, Salihan, done? Boleh, okay. Okay, so, okay, once okay, then part 1 AFL. Your full for not bring full scan. You want to go to today? Who's ready to go to practice set 3 today? Who's not ready? Who's not ready? Not ready. 1, 2. Yeah, bro. Supposed to go in class what? Do you have it? I can send you now. You have it? You can see your submission what? But no, but you can see your submission in the you have it, right? So it's okay. See you have it? If you are game, I'm game. Game. GAM. Wow, you. Game, GAME, not GAY. Okay, Coke of the day. I don't really like Coke. Okay. I drink coffee. Huh? Right, what? If you're gay, I'm gay. Huh? Game, I'm game. Huh? No. Okay. Okay, so wow. Okay, so actually ideally this is the kind of standard lah. Okay, so you see, wow, see Colin, you look at Colin's one already done, already marked. Oh, yeah, because the solutions are given to you. So this is very good. I just want to share when your classmates do good things. Okay. Okay, so are we good to go on to practice set 3? Emily, okay, Wow, y'all are Very good. This is the first time the class rush me. Okay. Okay. Let me pass on. Okay, let's go on. 1 over x plus 2. 1 minus 1 over x plus ln x. Ln x, 1 plus x squared. Quite easy lah. Quite easy. It's really quite easy. Okay? But when you are differentiating ln, please take note. Always use laws of logarithm first. Differentiation of log, I can guarantee you, it comes out every year YEA without fail. And wait. It's using like you want to do your practice AF1. Where's my see other one? Very good. Okay. But there. I need to go outside. Yeah, I'm trying to show you all something. Okay, okay. 20. When I checked on Friday, there were only 9 people. No. I know. I know it's the wrong. 22%. Okay. 7A. Can I go to 1B? 1G. B. D. D for dog. D. A, B, C, D. You know sign language? E, F, G. Don't know. Okay. E for dog. Is it okay? Did you get wrong? Did you get wrong? I go to you and take one. Just yeah. 7 after 7A. Your oh. to cotangent. Okay, you don't want to change to cotangent. Correct. When you to expand is also okay. You write sorry, 6 negative okay, yeah. B, prop B, B. Correct. So this one dy dx equals to d dx. Dy dx is the noun, d dx is operator. So yesterday win or lose? Yesterday win or lose? I thought there's a Presbyterian time. Huh? Can you see if your way is correct? There's a song called like that.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. See. I'll just pause here. Here, the formula you need to recall is that the derivative of ln, when you differentiate ln, right? Ln of a function x is the same as function over function x. Is it okay? So Xavier, oh, what a handsome person. Thumbnail. Right? Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. You simplify the bottom. Simplify the bottom. So 2 times 3. This is okay. 1 6e to the power half x plus 2e to the power half. Is it correct? Check. Yeah, it's correct. It's okay. So very simple. What you did differently, right? You just take my answer, multiply by e power half x, e power half x. Can already. You get your same answer. Okay. Part D. D for dog. So where are you now? You are over here. Okay, so I show you D first, huh? Then I show you your one, huh? The one is coming to the first near you. So don't talk. Be quiet, please. Be respectful when other people are asking questions. Okay. Form 1 plus x times minus 2x minus 1. Okay. Okay, you now then you x. Okay. Oh, oh, you're right. See your question. Correct. Eh? Sure or not? Combine the negative half. I write that as a, how do I write 1 as a right? Hey, where did the 2? Where did the 2 go? Yeah. I should rationalize this. And put it to the denominator. So let's say I do this. Another one. So we x squared plus 1. So my x squared plus 1. X squared plus 1. Is that so? Then I won't get anything. Unless you try on your side. Negative. Square root of x squared plus 1 minus x. For numerator.
Yeah, so let's take last one. So you can't go sides. You can't go numerator and denominator by x squared plus 1 power of 1 half. Yeah.
What if I do this? This and this.
I think the user will combine the power to
I combine the.
x bracket.
I bring this one in. How do I bring this one in?
Yes. Right.
Right the. Oh, okay. I get what you mean. Thanks. Okay, so I write it this way over x squared plus 1. Over is below x squared plus 1 minus x. Okay. Yes. Thank you, Colin. So, Sadana, what Colin meant is this. These two can cancel. We become a negative 1. They're the same. Because this is like A minus B, this is B minus A. Oh, yeah lah. So good. Okay. So this one, what you do, right? You make 1 fully as the top into 1 fraction. Okay. Then after that, you will see that the numerator is the same. I can cancel. I left with minus 1. So my final answer becomes negative 1 over square root x squared plus 1. Okay. Thank you. Oh, you walk around for your bags. Yeah, watch out for. I keep to knocking those. Okay. Okay, E. Is D okay? E okay, I go to E. This time with a cleaner approach. If you didn't take out E square, try to take out E square. Okay, your working should be as sanitized as possible.
Really correct.
Bro, you're doing something else.
See, you can do it after you're done.
But I cannot multitask. Wrong, I got no correction or not. Never do correction. Sean, I tell you, I'll kick you back to the Ming Dynasty. But wait. I cannot bring the screen elsewhere now. Okay. F 6F 7F. So have y'all all? Okay, I hope y'all really use the loss of logarithm. If y'all never use, I'll be quite sad. We can use that as okay, I go around and see. Where's your system? You got submit or not? Then open and see. How come only one page?
I find it all into one thing.
Bro, you only did questions. Oh, okay.
It's a nice system already. Or do I simplify it?
Can, but I would want this method. Can. My only hope is that you use the it's not wrong. It's like the dollar note is fake or yeah, correct. May I use Desmond? Huh? Oh, Desmond, can. Okay. Who is Desmond? Okay, so question. Use your loss of logarithm. Okay, please write it somewhere. Okay. After you divide that, find the gradient of the normal, sub it in. X over 2 screen broadcasting stop.
Yes.
This is the gradient of the tangent. So you want the gradient of the norm. Then this is your x1. This is your y1. Okay? So gradient x1, y1. You get an answer here. Okay? Y minus y1 equals to gradient Don't worry, you will not get half the marks. Still same. Okay. Okay. Yeah. You don't you equal to pi over 4. Oh, this is for this question.
Yeah.
So let's see. This is for this question. Question 12. So you get 12. 12. Oh. What? Oh, you forgot to times half. Half. It's half sine x over 2. F prime is half sine x over 2. You see your inside, right? Cosine, right?
It's not true.
I think I made the same mistake just now. Okay. Can I? Okay. Can. Oh, why are you talking about this now? Yeah. So 1 to 0, that means input is basically right. It looks to the power, which is 1. That x equals to 3. Negative 24. Where's your part 2? What you level right equals 24. After that, why is negative 3 over 2 x minus 3? This one is not negative. This one times this one. Well, who did this? This is you. You are river. Yeah, okay, look at this. Here. Okay, here to here. Here to here. This is pi over. Yeah. Oh, good. You also achieve. How you? Your maths go to the meter. For practice set 2 and 3. This one. Oh, okay. Okay. Can I? Okay, all submit your. Oh. Three. You also go learning law, serious? Odell,
Yeah.
math, math. You go math tuition. You need math. You don't need. You just started, huh? Yeah. Huh? let's the AFL. Let's go to AFL. Okay. Let me write this one. Okay. So your answer is correct. Okay, AFL part 1. For those who are doing, I have something to tell everyone. There is for presentation. Okay, it is compulsory. We just had a reminder. It is compulsory for you to write this. It is compulsory for you to write this. Okay, it's compulsory for you to write it. You need to write down 3 minus x over square root is more than 0. Okay. dy is more than 0. Can you just write this down? Guys, it's important. Every teacher will need this to see this. Huh? Yes. Not yet. Because that one is skipping a step. Not skipping. How to write you can either write this or you say dy gets more than 0. Also can. Okay, now then after that, what is answer saying? Answer is saying this. Square root is more than or equal to 0. Okay. So that's question 1. Okay. G is a decay. Which one? Representative of part B. Yes. So the for decreasing function, try to take note of the presentation. So especially this sentence, you need to write. Okay, all your notes for part 1, you just make sure you write this. For function to be increasing, gradient must be more than 0. Please remember to write this sentence. Okay? And I'll walk around now. I just quick check who here has math tuition. Can you raise your hand? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So yours is what? 1-to-1. Or you go to center or 1-to-1. Yours? 1-to-1. The rest all don't have. Yeah. Question 2. Find the possible values of p such that y is an increasing function. So if you want y to be an increasing function, if you want dy dx to be more than 0. Okay. For y to be increasing function, dy dx more than 0. So dy dx more than 0, right? It will mean that your dy dx to be 16. Okay. You will need. So you can see this is what I write. For y to be increasing function, you need to write this line. Okay. Yeah, notice the change. Please take note. Presentation need to write this. Yeah, Susan, Micah, Xingyu, need to write this line. Take note. Topic 6, part 1. Presentation. Put a star there. Okay. Only why you never put star? Baba, why you never put star? Huh? You solve 1A, but you never use differentiation. 1A. You stress star? How do you do it without differentiation? Try to use differentiation. I get what you mean, but remember, You need to include the square root. Cannot just look at inside. Okay, make sure you don't just look at the inside. Look at the square root. That's why you need to better to use. Inside. How do you find it? Do you differentiate? Then what do you differentiate? Yeah. So that means you are just considering inside without considering the square root. It's a bit risky. I don't advise that. Yeah, because why if outside is not an increasing function? Different already. Oh, yeah. So let me go to 2. Okay, I need this to be more than 0. What do I do after this? So if I... Oh, yeah, thank you. If you don't attack, what do you do? Huh? Who's Kayla? Kayla was correct. Kaden was correct. Okay. So you're called Kayla. Oh, okay, so correct. You use discriminant because if you want the function to be more than 0, it means that you want the function to be above the x-axis. You want it to be above the x-axis. Okay, so far, I want it to be above the x-axis. Above the x-axis, you also say that the coefficient of x squared is positive. Okay, and now you check the discriminant. The discriminant 8p squared minus 4ac. What is this equals to? 64p squared. What is 4 times 12? 48. What's 48 times 16? Stop talking about other things. Okay? I pass. Okay. Okay. Set. Yeah. Because, okay, you know what? You mean discriminant for you is more than 0? Because, okay, the dy dx is more than 0, right? If I need dy dx to be more than 0, that means I need my discriminant to be lesser than 0. And the coefficient of x squared is positive. These are the two conditions that you need. More than 0 means that it's above the x-axis. So this one is really tough. It's really tough. So if you solve this, what does that get you? What is 768 divided by 64? 64 times 3. Okay. Am I using space? I'm using storage, right? Right. That's the idea for it. I'm going to press a big record. No. Okay, put here. How are you? You must be so sad, right? Dora don't use you to log into Zoom anymore. Okay. I think I'm crazy. Okay, so 64p squared more than 768. E squared less than. What's 768 divided by 64? 12. Oh, that's great. It's a beautiful number. Then P is between 3 square root, 2 square root 3 and negative 2 square root. Okay, but yeah, just check carefully now. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, see, very nice answer. Okay, so guys, you need to really write all this out. Okay, I just want to let you all know we are quite particular on this. If you don't see statement, writing a list of working is not enough. Okay, you need to communicate your thoughts properly. Okay, just a bit like an essay, a bit like an essay. Huh? No. Have you tried? Okay, what's the answer? Okay, you give me a while. Okay. Okay, okay, next one. So what you do? Okay, 1B, right? You try to do the graph. Okay, I hope okay. So you get this? Do you convert to double angle? Very good. So some people they do this and then they start to consider cosine positive, sine negative. So when you want sine 2x to be more than 0, then you look at sine 2x graph. From the range of negative pi to pi, when is it more than 0? It's basically from here to here, as well as here to here. Joshua, pay attention to your work. Stop looking around. Okay? Okay? That is the range from negative pi to pi. So inclusive is here. Okay? So x negative pi to negative pi over 2. Here, 0 to pi over 2. Okay? It cannot be inclusive. Because inclusive will give you 0. If inclusive, unless we are talking about equal. If here equal, then here equal. Okay. That was also. That was okay. That was okay. Okay, so this is the final answer for B. Okay. Can show working. Yeah, show working. It's very tempting to copy answer and then just submit, but remember that does not help you with the quiz. Okay, make the easy decision, you have a hard life. Make the hard decision, you have an easy life. Okay. Yes, 1A. 1A. Okay, so if you look at 1A, increasing function means what? dy dx greater than 0. Oh, have you found dy dx? So for f to be increasing, our need f prime max to be more than 0. Am I right? So I guess you found that f prime max is 3 minus x square root of 16 plus 6x minus x squared, right? Now, if you want fx to be more than 0, what you need is, you can basically see that when x is in this range, when x is in this range, right, your denominator basically is always positive, right? So this means that we need 3 minus x to be more than 0, which is x less than 3. Okay? Then so far. Now, don't forget to intersect these two, right? So therefore, okay, the answer is x between more than 2 and less than 3. And why? Because why is there such a specific domain being restricted? It's because you want to avoid the zeros of the denominator. Okay, okay. Yeah. Can I go through one here? Okay, so this is 1A. I'll pause a while. Give me 2 seconds. What happened?
Not inclusive.
Where?
But it should be negative 2, not inclusive x. Because if it's inclusive, then the gradient is undefined, the x is negative.
Check 2. 有没有掉到 0? Check again. 16 plus 12 minus 4. Oh yeah, sucks. Sean, careful. Ah. Oh, that's a tricky one. Because x equals to -2 makes denominator 0.
That's okay. 16 minus 12.
16 minus 12. 16 minus 12. Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Take note of the change of because I take away -12. So just now when Papa was correcting me, I took away the equal sign. Hey, Sean, are you listening? From this part, from this part. Okay. So now I go through one. G is a decreasing function where gx is cosine square x. Of course, one possibility is to draw the cosine square graph, which is not easy, or you can just differentiate. What is g prime x? For g to be decreasing, g prime x must be less than 0. What is g prime x? G prime x is 2 cos x negative sine x. This is the same as negative sine 2x. Okay? Okay? What is negative sine 2x? So when we need negative sine 2x less than 0, this means that sine 2x is more than 0. So when is sine 2x more than 0? Then you draw the graph out. Then you observe that you know how to draw sine 2x? No need. Can draw. Okay, how to draw sine 2x? Very quickly. I will draw. Okay, so let's say if I want to draw sine 2x in the exam, I draw the sine x graph first. This is pi over 0, pi over 2, pi over 2, pi. This will be sine x. Okay? Now watch carefully what's going to happen next time. Okay, so this is sine x. So if I'm going to change to sine 2x, it's not 2x. Okay, what will happen here? Divide by 2. Because it's going to be squeezed, right? This will become 4. This will become 4. This will become pi. This will become 4. This will become 2. This will become 4. Yeah, this is sine 2x. Okay, now this is speedy math. You're going to do it fast. Then you just extend. Okay, one interval is about pi over 2. So this is about negative pi over 2. Negative pi. Negative 3 pi over 4. Negative pi over 4. So this is y equals to sine. When is it going to be more than 0? Here. Here. And here. Okay. This portion here. This portion here. Okay, that. Which one? This one, huh? I'll send later after you all finish. Okay? You done already, huh? I wait first, Yes. How do I find asymptote of the tangent 2x? Very simple. Yeah, toilet, yes. Okay. For tangent 2x, okay, basically all the asymptotes are all the odd multiples of pi over 2. Pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, 7 pi over 2. Now you change this to 2x, this one becomes 2x. So x will be equals to pi over 4. X is equals to pi over 4, 3 pi over 4, 5 pi over 4, 7 pi over 4, so on and so forth. Okay, this is one way to look at it. Another way, basically like what Alex said, is just to look at, because tangent is the same as sine over cosine. Look at where all your cosines are 0. That will give you all the asymptotes. See how is it? Get it right? Which troublesome? Oh, then you look at this one. Both are equally okay one. First time you do is troublesome. Second you do become a convenience. Third time you do become a habit. You ask me to shoot 3-point also very troublesome for me. So it's a habit. Okay. Okay. Mm. Tangent graph goes to origin, meaning tangent 0 is 0. Yes. Okay, so I go. You're at question 3 now, is it? Oh, what a beautiful question. Okay. You know to draw tangent to x? Can. Just draw tangent x and then divide all the intercepts by 2. That's the speedy way to it, okay? Okay. No. Yeah, this is the second time you're asking. I said no already. Wait for you to finish. Can not? Wait. Don't be so self-centered. Then wait for everyone to finish. Yeah, remember, every decision. Alex, next time you grow up, can I just tell you something? Next time when in a situation like this, you need to make a decision. What will guide you to make a decision? Next time I become a leader, what's the correct decision to make any scenario? Can anyone tell me? What's the correct decision to make as a leader? If you're leading a group of people, the correct decision to make is always the decision that will benefit and help the most number of people. You understand? I know you are fast, so if you are fast, you can do the practice set first. Okay, no, wait for me to go through. Yes, how to do 1B? Okay, 1B, you differentiate. After you differentiate, what do you get? Okay, so when you differentiate, right? Is 2 cos x negative sine. Okay? This is the same as negative sine 2x. Okay? Okay. So if you want for g to be decreasing, you need gx to be less than 0. Okay? G prime, sorry. So negative sine 2x less than 0. Okay? Negative sine 2x less than 0 is the same as sine 2x more than 0. Okay? Now sine 2x more than 0, what does it? You look at your graph, I take out already. Now, when is sine 2x more than 0? This part and this part. Okay? So of course, if you know but you don't know, then you like me lah. Yeah, that's how big sketch should be. Then you will see that. Why is it minus sine? Because your derivative, right, is minus sine, right? You use double angle? You use okay, if you use, very good. Because a lot of students never use. Then they go and consider cosine positive, sine negative, sine positive, cosine. Then don't need that. So use double angle. Sine 2x. Aiden, have you done? Where is it? Let me see. You do already, huh? Okay. Try your best. every question that you see is trying to revise you something from the past. Okay. Final answer for you. 1B. So focus on if what is correct. Whether you answer the question, whether you will do the presentation. Don't just focus on the numerical answer. Okay. No. Draw your